While most Formula One launches happen in darkened studios or sterile factory floors, the BWT Alpine F1 Team decided to make a massive splash for the 2026 season. On January 23, 2026, docked in the sun-drenched port of Barcelona, the team pulled the covers off their new challenger, the A526, aboard the luxury cruise ship MSC World Europa. This wasn't just a glitzy event for the sake of show. It was a symbolic statement of a team looking to sail away from a disastrous 2025 season and into a brave new era of Formula One regulations. The end of an era. Powering up with Mercedes. The biggest story of the day wasn't the car's looks, but what lies beneath the bodywork. For the first time in the team's modern history, an Alpine chassis will not be powered by a Renault engine. Following the cessation of the Renault Power Unit program at the end of 2025, Alpine has officially become a customer team, striking a high-performance deal with Mercedes-AMG. The switch to the Brixworth-built power unit and gearbox represents a radical transformation in philosophy. Executive Advisor Flavio Briatore was blunt during the launch, stating that with a world-class Mercedes engine in the back, there are no more excuses for the Enstone-based squad. Design and aerodynamics. Smaller, lighter, smarter. The A526 is Alpine's response to the 2026 nimble car regulations. The car is noticeably shorter and narrower than its predecessors, sporting a refined version of the iconic blue and pink gloss livery. Technical Director David Sanchez explained that the team sacrificed almost the entire 2025 season to focus on this machine, aiming to eliminate the fundamental weight and drag issues that haunted them last year. Key technical highlights include Active Aero. The A526 features movable front and rear wings, a core component of the 2026 rules designed to aid overtaking. Aggressive packaging. The switch to the Mercedes power unit has allowed for much tighter rear-end packaging compared to the old Renault-powered cars. Weight management. After finishing last in the 2025 standings, Alpine has obsessively pursued a diet for the A526 to ensure they hit the minimum weight limit from day one. In a season of massive technical change, Alpine has opted for continuity behind the wheel. Pierre Gasly continues as the team's spearhead, entering his fourth year with the squad. He is joined by rising star Franco Colapinto, who impressed the paddock during the latter half of 2025. This blend of Gasly's race-winning experience and Colapinto's raw, youthful speed is seen as vital for providing consistent feedback as the team learns to optimize the new Mercedes engine integration. Both drivers expressed immense optimism, noting that the A526 felt snappy and responsive during a secret shakedown at Silverstone earlier in the week. The 2026 launch feels like a total reset for BWT Alpine. By walking away from their status as a full factory manufacturer to become a Mercedes customer, they have prioritized performance over pride. With Flavio Briatore at the helm and a technical team that has had a massive head start on these regulations, the A526 represents the most significant clean sheet opportunity in Enstone's history. The Mediterranean sun was shining on the MSC World Europa today, but the real test begins next week when the A526 hits the track for official testing in Barcelona.